In today's video, we will talk about MSO 002 Chapter 2, that is Empirical Approach. After analyzing the question paper from 2012 to 2020, I have came across following questions. The first question is empirical research. Second is empiristic approach to understand social reality. Third is cultural relativism, how it affects data collection. Fourth, how does a sociologist problematize her objective of study? Give example. Empirical approach. The word empirical denotes information gained by observation, experience, or experiment. Empirical approach means collection of facts through observation and method of data collection. Sociologists such as Spencer, Durkheim, Auguste Comte, etc. depend largely on data collected by travelers, missionaries. Empirical study is natural science, means it is scientific, whereas common sense is non-scientific. Here we can see that fact with observation, techniques and scientific method give empirical data. Empirical approach means the collection of data that can be subjected to a theoretical analysis. Level of personal understanding to bring data make difference in quality as good work or medicare. Scholars see entire society as a whole, but attempts are made to identify the diversities within group and cultures. People do not act according to laid down scripts. The discretion may be due to modification, such as oral to oral transmission, or it can be through adjustment, that is, ritual are adjusted according to our need and time. The third digression cause may be rebellion, such as rebel by marginal group or a woman group. Now let's see about cultural relativism. It is principle that individual human belief and activities should be understood in turn of his or her own culture. It is a product of individual way of thinking. Data should be collected in absence of prejudice, biasness, emotions, ethical. It should maintain neutrality, scope of understand, think and observe his perseverance. By the sociologist or the social researcher. Durkheim wrote a book known as Rule of Sociological Method. In his he have written about that information must be kept by keeping in the mind the rules that he have talked about. Scientists must remain ethically and emotionally neutral. Cultural rule is outcome of such mindset. For some time, data collected by layperson, travelers, missionaries, historians were rejected and only trained social scientists collected data in the field by themselves. Observer tends to observe according to an unconscious and simultaneous process of internal analysis. To overcome subjectivity of observer, history became a part. Intuitive understanding, personal, plus data interpretation form general conceptual work. Culture is a way of engaging with the world, and the engagement is dialectic relationship with the environment. For example, child of a hunter-gatherer learn all the techniques while roaming in the forest. Human is related to culture environment, and human is also related to physical interaction. And the physical interaction of human leads to cultural environment. There are many problems faced by the researcher. Now the problem faced by the researcher in data collection is that he accepts the fact and he cannot make modification in that. Social scientist approach is to accept something only by the way of its inherent properties and not by ideas regarding it. The second problem can be to what extent one can remain objective as observer, because sometime the observer what he is observing evoke intense emotion in a person as human being. The third problem Analysts may concentrate on the meaning that the experience have for the actor and then integrate the individual experience into web of significance. For example, a observer or a researcher, if he had performed in any kind of drama, for example a Ram Leela, the actor can forget his experience and he will conclude some points from that experience also. A problem can be faced by the object of the researcher also. Social scientists don't have anything concrete in front of what they see as society or culture. They need to infer it from our observation and our assumptions. The process of infer can be many objective or subjective. Social scientists in the field has to interact with and observe individual and not the society. So there may be some problem what he actually see and what he have observed and what he have written in it. It is according to his experience. In next video we will talk about chapter 3 and we will discuss about theory and hypothesis. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.